Hi everyone, welcome back to Stan Show Illustration. Today I'm using a Comic Pen Nib made by Tachikawa and bought online at jetpens.com. All the links will be in the description below. Drawing with a comic nib has really invigorated me again in terms of drawing traditionally, dipping the metal tip into the ink, scratching the metal tip onto the paper, seeing the picture unfold, reloading the ink, just the real sort of tactile feeling of drawing in the traditional sense, because I've been doing a lot of digital art over the past several years. I really recommend it. Give it a try. It's really inexpensive to get started. And here are some other sketches that I've done over the past few days. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.